Hi and welcome to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. For you, the beginner, to help you get up and going with everything eBay related. It could be drop shipping, it could be reselling, it could be arbitrage, literally everything for the beginner to really get you going. How to sell on eBay with no money down. Now you're probably wondering, oh, is this clickbait? No, it's not. And I want to just put you to it, it's about time. What you're going to be doing is this. I'm not going to go into the secret at the present moment, but think about, again, the saying whereby somebody's trash is somebody's treasure. There's lots of things in your home that you'll probably even think, oh, nobody will buy that. And I thought that way when it came down to eBay. And not even eBay, when it came down to Amazon. That was quite surprising when I sold some things that I thought I'd never even sell. And this is the difference when it comes down to eBay. A lot of people feel that they don't have and they have to buy new stuff. eBay is a marketplace where you can actually sell things used as well and even broken. You'll be surprised, to say the least, that you can find particular items that are broken. And even on this eBay channel, I mean, more importantly, you can do this on Amazon as well. I'll go into that later on, but how from now, but let's stick on eBay. eBay for beginners, if you're the beginner, more importantly, this is for you. So let's look at this particular strategy. And this is what I'm going to always express: strategy. On the screen in the present moment, you can see some particular items that are used. Now, you can also get used items from different sources, or I will say this is how you're going to do it. Start by just looking around the room, and when you get something or you find something in a home, or even ask particular people or your family members, do they have anything they don't use or whatever it may be, maybe some old toys, maybe some old books, maybe some things that they just don't really use anymore. Now, just what you got to do is go to eBay, look it up, and see if anybody's buying it, or just list it. The thing is, when it comes to new particular accounts and things like that, you need some history. You need to know that you can sell something. The objective of what you're trying to do here is see if we can get into the way of the whole cycle. Can we list something, get it sold, ship it out, and get a return? Now, the thing about it, you didn't actually pay for anything. The good thing again is whereby you come in the game with so low, whereas you didn't actually buy anything, and you managed to sell it. Look at that. Yeah, how to sell things on eBay with no money down at all, and you made a little return. So that is just the trick you can play. You could do this all day long if you wanted to, and I'll give you a strategy. You can just ask anybody in the house. You can ask your neighbors, do you want that? And they'll probably give you that, and people donate it to you. That's something you could do all day long. I actually saw something quite special. I mean, just quite strange. I was actually in the town and I saw a guy going through particular people's trash and taking out items, and more affluent areas where they throw things away. And before the dustman comes along, he picks up these items, and I'm sure he's selling them on eBay. He's got to be selling them. He's picking up old toys, picking up. In some neighborhoods here in the UK, they put things out on tables, and it was quite strange in the day, whereby you'd be able to pick up old books, because not everybody's selling on eBay. Don't think everybody's doing exactly the same thing. It's quite surprising. You can get a lot of things for actual free and be able to make a nice little living on it. You'll be surprised in what people will buy. Now, when it comes to used things, the reason why people buy used things because they can't get them anymore. Some things are out of stock or getting discontinued, and some people will buy them for parts. Now, take an example. You have a laptop, it's broken, screen's broken, or even a phone or something like that. There are some parts in there that people may want. Some people may want the batteries and things like that. And I've seen particular items which, if the item was broken apart, and you took all the screws out, things like that, or again they can still be in bits, or even motors or whatever it may be, they can actually sell more than the actual item itself. Now, amazing itself. That's what happens. And this is what people do. They will break things apart, and it's like a chop shop, and obviously you can do that as well. So don't frown on particular items that could be of some great use to fix another thing. I bought some particular items which are broken, and I only want one or two parts, and which is good because you can't buy them parts from the manufacturer. So again, if you go into the notion of doing that, whoever or what you see out there, you probably can actually get these parts from people. And that's how you've got to think. Strategy. People throw away certain things. They don't know what you're using it for. What is it? You can just tell them, or you just, do a project or something like that. But it's a good way of getting these stuff. Now, you'd be surprised. Just like, there was a situation where people buy copper. Obviously they know what to do with it. They recycle it and obviously make more money out of it, even though it's cheap. But again, if there's a situation whereby a company needs to get rid of it, it costs more to get rid of that particular item to sell it. So this is a good thing. And obviously they may even pay you to get rid of the particular item. It's quite surprising. So see, this is a situation when it comes down to strategy. Think about, where you are, what is happening, what people want to do, and you'll be able to even solve that problem if you can do it. I've seen lots of people on eBay, what they do, they sell these particular shipping drums. They're plastic, and obviously they recycle it. There's all different types of things you can do on this particular area where people will want to try and sell these things, and you can go and negotiate a deal by taking it away, picking it up, and also providing a service behind it. But for beginners, this is what we're trying to do here. We're trying to look around the room and see what we got. Books, old magazines. Now you'll be surprised, old magazines, collector's items. You may have some old items in the attic. So the objective of the day to go upstairs in the attic and look around, or even stuff that you've had from high school days that people may want. There may be some memorabilia photos in there as well. If you've got all these things you're lying about, you're thinking, what should I do with it? I know sometimes you don't want to sell it, but again, the objective here is to try to get on eBay, list a few items, and try to make a return so you can understand it well. So here are a few ideas that you can be thinking about, and I think we can get listing on eBay and to try and sell a few items as well. Don't be shy. Get in, and the most important thing is just get started. That's what we want to do. Just get started on eBay, and where we can see what happens. We're gonna make mistakes, and don't worry, because here on this channel we like to see the mistakes that you're making. The more mistakes that you're making, the better understanding on where we can actually get it right, and where it becomes a habit when selling on eBay. So take your time. Make a list of things that you want to sell. Don't go for the highest items, but more importantly, we can actually go through some particular things. There are some videos where I just point out how to research on the eBay platform on different types of items that you can sell as well. If you like information that we're providing, why not comment below? Have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.